How to turn text into animated videos using PixVer AI. First, open your web browser and go to PixVer.ai. Then sign in with your Google account or create a free account if you don't already have one. Once you're on the dashboard, click Create and select Text to Video. Next, click the prompt box and describe the animated video you want to create. For example, type a futuristic robot walking through a neon-lit city at night, cinematic lighting, smooth camera movement, ultra-realistic animation. After entering your prompt, choose your preferred aspect ratio, video duration, and visual style if those options are available. Now, click the Generate button. PixVer AI will transform your text prompt into a fully animated video. Once the video is ready, preview the result. If you'd like to improve it, edit your prompt by adding more details about the scene, lighting, or camera movement, then generate another version. Finally, click the Download button to save the animated video to your computer. That's it. You've successfully turned text into an animated video using PixVer AI. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more AI tutorials, video creation tips, and easy tech guides.